Do you want to rank higher on YouTube search results? If so, you're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into the powerful world of YouTube keywords. But why are keywords so important? Well, they play a crucial role in YouTube's search algorithm. In the vast sea of content, keywords act as a beacon, guiding viewers to your videos. They help increase your visibility, and with better visibility comes the potential for more viewers, and more viewers mean a greater opportunity for engagement and growth. So if you've been struggling to attract viewers, or if you're just starting out and want to hit the ground running, understanding and using keywords effectively can be your secret weapon. But don't worry, it's not as complex as it might sound. So grab your notepad or just get comfortable, because we're about to unlock the secrets of YouTube keywords. Let's dive into this exciting world of YouTube keywords and start ranking higher. So what exactly are keywords? Why do they matter so much? Think of keywords as the compass that guides people to your content amidst the vast sea of information on the internet. They are the specific words or phrases that internet users input into search engines when they're looking for something. It could be anything from how to bake a chocolate cake to best sci-fi movies. And these, my friends, are your keywords. Now, imagine YouTube as a gigantic library, and keywords are the labels on the book spines. Without these labels, how would anyone find the book they're looking for? That's where the role of keywords comes in. They help organize and categorize your content in a way that makes it discoverable and accessible to your target audience. But it's not just about being found. Keywords also play a pivotal role in search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. This is the practice of optimizing your online content so that a search engine likes to show it as a top result for searches of certain keywords. When you use the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you're essentially telling the search engine, hey, this is what my content is about. However, it's not enough to just throw in a bunch of popular keywords and hope for the best. The keywords you choose must be relevant to your content. They should accurately represent what your video is about. Misleading keywords might get you views in the short run, but it won't keep viewers coming back for more. So why are keywords crucial for YouTube content creators? Well, they're your ticket to visibility. They can help your videos rank higher in search results, attract more views, and ultimately build a larger audience. In a platform with over 2 billion logged-in users, standing out can be a challenge. But with the right keywords, you can rise above the noise and reach your target audience. Now that you understand what keywords are, let's find out how to identify the right ones for your content. Finding the right keywords is a critical step in your YouTube success journey. It's like finding the right key to unlock a door. But how do you find these keys, these golden nuggets of SEO success? Let's dive right in. The first strategy is to use YouTube's Search Suggest feature. Yes, that's right, YouTube itself is a treasure trove of keyword ideas. Start typing a word related to your content in the search bar, and voila! YouTube suggests popular searches related to your word. These are potential keywords that viewers are actually searching for. It's like YouTube is handing you the keys on a silver platter. The second strategy is to check out the competition. Now, we're not saying to copy your competitors, but rather learn from them. Look at the titles, descriptions, and tags of successful videos in your niche. What keywords are they using? Are there any common phrases or words? This can give you a good sense of the keywords that resonate with your audience. The third strategy is to use keyword research tools. These are software that provide a wealth of data on keywords, including search volume, competition level, and more. Some popular options include TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Keyword Tool. These tools can help you find high-volume, low-competition keywords, the sweet spot for YouTube SEO. Remember, the goal isn't to find the most popular keywords, but rather the right keywords for your unique content. It's about finding the balance between what your audience is searching for and what you can offer. It's not about stuffing your video with as many keywords as possible. Instead, it's about choosing the right keywords that accurately represent your content and resonate with your audience. With these strategies, you can find the perfect keywords to suit your content. But how do you use these keywords effectively? Let's find out next. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to put them to good use. Firstly, let's talk about your video title. This is one of the first things both YouTube's algorithm and your potential viewers will see. Make it count. Incorporate your primary keyword into the title in a way that is natural and engaging. However, remember to keep it concise. You don't want to lose your audience before they've even clicked on your video. Next up is your video description. This is your opportunity to provide more detail about your content, and it's another place where you can use your keywords. But don't just stuff them in haphazardly. Your description should read naturally, and the use of keywords should make sense in the context. A good rule of thumb is to use your primary keyword 2 to 4 times and any secondary keywords 1 to 2 times. Now let's move on to tags. Tags are essentially keywords that YouTube uses to understand the content and context of your video. Use your primary keyword as your first tag, followed by a mix of secondary keywords and other relevant tags. But it's not just about the metadata. The actual content of your video is crucial too. If you're able to mention your keywords in your video, it can help YouTube's algorithms understand your content better. However, like before, make sure it sounds natural. Don't force it. Finally, consistency is paramount. YouTube favors channels that consistently produce content around similar topics. So, if you're regularly using the same set of keywords across multiple videos, it can help establish your channel as a source of authority on that topic. However, keep in mind that effective keyword usage is not about gaming the system. It's about making it easier for the right people to find your content. Using your keywords effectively can significantly boost your video's visibility. But remember, consistency is key. While keywords can help boost your visibility, there are some common mistakes that you need to avoid. First up, let's talk about keyword stuffing. This is when you overload your video's title, description, or tags with keywords in an attempt to trick the algorithm. But let me tell you, YouTube is smarter than that. Not only does this tactic not work, but it can also backfire. YouTube might flag your content as spam, which can hurt your visibility. Instead, focus on using keywords appropriately and in a way that naturally fits into your content. Next, we have the use of irrelevant keywords. It might be tempting to use popular keywords that have nothing to do with your video, hoping to catch some extra views. But this approach is more likely to disappoint viewers and lead to high bounce rates. You see, when people click on your video expecting one thing and get something completely different, they leave. This signals to YouTube that your video is not satisfying viewers, which can harm your ranking. So always ensure your keywords accurately represent your content. Last but not least, not updating your keywords regularly is another common mistake. The world of YouTube is dynamic, and what's trending today might be old news tomorrow. Regularly reviewing and updating your keywords can help keep your content relevant and competitive. It's not about changing your entire strategy every week, but rather staying in tune with your audience and the evolving trends. And there you have it. Some common pitfalls to avoid in your journey to keyword mastery. Remember, the keyword game isn't about tricking the system. It's about understanding your audience, delivering valuable content, and using keywords to help the right people find you. Avoiding these mistakes will help ensure your keywords are working for you, not against you. So, we've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We started by understanding the significance of keywords in the YouTube landscape. They act as the bridge between your content and the audience, helping your videos reach the right viewers. Then we dove into the art of finding the right keywords. We learned that it's not just about picking popular terms, but also about choosing keywords that are relevant to your content and your target audience. Next, we discussed how to use these keywords effectively, from strategically placing them in your title, descriptions, and tags, to naturally incorporating them into your video script. We explored various techniques to make the most out of your keywords. Finally, we talked about common mistakes to avoid, such as keyword stuffing and choosing irrelevant keywords to keep your YouTube SEO healthy and effective. With these tips, you're now equipped to leverage the power of keywords and start ranking higher in YouTube search results. Remember, the road to success is always under construction. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep creating amazing content.